Z is for Zamboni, glide, glidey, glide. On the ice it moves smooth and wide. With a rumble and hum, it clears the way. Zambonis help us skate and play. Let's write the letter Z, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital Z with zigzags so bright. Lowercase z is smaller just right. Z is for Zamboni, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters, let's enjoy the ride. The Zamboni slides, making the ice nice. Smooth and clean, it's always precise. With each pass, the ice shines bright. Zambonis keep the rink just right. The letter Z is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, capital Z with zigzags so bright. Lowercase z is smaller just right. Z is for Zamboni, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters, let's enjoy the ride. Zambonis glide where the ice is cold. Let's write the letter Z so bold. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter Z is last in our ABCs. Capital Z with zigzags so bright. Lowercase z is smaller just right. Z is for Zamboni, glide, glide, glide. Learning letters, let's enjoy the ride.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.